Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint this classic pumpkin paint by line. First I'm going to go in and base coat the pumpkin with white. Today I'm using the color Cotton by Dixie Belle. It is their whitest white. You could go in if you wanted to use kind of like an off-white and go in with driftwood, but I really love a clean white pumpkin. After that I'm going to go in with some chocolate brown paint and paint the stem. And this stem that I'm painting on, I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout to know where to put it. Now I am going in with some tan paint and I'm following the lines that are etched on the cutout. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but don't worry, in person you can see them perfectly. Now I'm going to go over that tan with a little bit of chocolate brown. And I'm just going to use that chocolate brown also around the edges to just kind of give it a little bit of definition, and then turn my brush sideways and do a little distressing. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day.